What if your Mardi Gras table didn't just look decorated, but felt like a celebration bursting with color, tradition, and joy? What if the moment your guests gathered around, they felt transported into the heart of Mardi Gras, where laughter flows, music lives in the air, and every detail celebrates abundance? Mardi Gras table decor is more than styling. It is storytelling. It is culture. It is celebration without restraint. Picture bold purple, green, and gold layered across the table, shimmering beads reflecting candlelight, feathers adding movement and drama, masks inviting mystery, and textures so rich the table feels alive. Today, we're creating a Mardi Gras table that is vibrant, luxurious, overflowing with personality, and impossible to forget, a table that becomes the soul of the celebration.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is the table the heart of Mardi Gras celebrations? The table is where Mardi Gras truly comes alive. It's where food, laughter, tradition, and togetherness meet in one shared space. During Mardi Gras, the table represents abundance, an intentional display of generosity, joy, and celebration. A beautifully decorated table invites guests to slow down, gather closer, and stay longer. It becomes a place of connection, storytelling, and shared moments. It's where conversations deepen, glasses clink, and memories form naturally. In Mardi Gras culture, the table is never meant to feel minimal or restrained. It should feel full, layered, rich, and joyful, just like the celebration itself. When your table feels festive and alive, the entire gathering feels elevated and meaningful. If you love bold and joyful table styling, tap like and let's keep the celebration going. How do table linens set the tone for Mardi Gras decor? Table linens are the foundation of your entire Mardi Gras table. They establish the mood before any decor is added and anchor every layer that follows. A bold purple, green, or gold tablecloth immediately sets a celebratory tone. Metallic or patterned runners add movement and visual interest down the center of the table. Layering linens creates depth, making the table feel full and intentional rather than flat. Velvet fabrics bring richness and softness, while satin or metallic finishes add shine and drama. Even simple linens become powerful when they reflect Mardi Gras color and texture. When the linens feel luxurious and bold, everything placed on top instantly feels elevated and festive. Check the description for the table linens featured in this Mardi Gras setup. What colors truly define a Mardi Gras table setting? Mardi Gras colors are powerful, symbolic, and instantly recognizable. They don't whisper, they celebrate boldly. Purple represents royalty, dignity, and justice, bringing richness and depth to the table. Green symbolizes renewal, faith, and life, adding freshness and vibrancy. Gold represents success, prosperity, and strength, infusing warmth and sparkle into every detail. When these colors are layered together, they create visual excitement and emotional energy. Metallic gold catches candlelight beautifully, while deep purple and bright green anchor the design. Together, they create a table that feels dramatic, indulgent, and authentically Mardi Gras. This color palette doesn't just decorate, it announces celebration. Subscribe for more festive, color-inspired table decor ideas throughout the year. How can small details make your Mardi Gras decor unforgettable? It's the details that elevate Mardi Gras decor from festive to extraordinary. Add fleur-de-lis symbols to honor tradition and history. Use themed napkins, plates, and party favors to tie everything together. Scatter metallic confetti or bead strands across surfaces for extra sparkle. Incorporate music, signage, and themed accents to engage all the senses. These finishing touches bring personality, authenticity, and richness to your decor, making the celebration feel complete. Save this video to your playlist for your next Mardi Gras celebration. How can centerpieces bring drama and personality to the Mardi Gras table? A Mardi Gras centerpiece should never feel small or quiet. It should command attention, spark conversation, and celebrate the spirit of the season. Masks make stunning focal points, especially when surrounded by feathers, beads, and metallic accents. Tall floral arrangements in purple, green, and gold create height and visual drama. Beads cascading around vases or candle holders add movement and playful sparkle. Fleur-de-lis elements bring history, symbolism, and elegance into the design. The centerpiece becomes a storytelling piece, blending tradition, mystery, and celebration into one powerful visual moment. It draws the eye, anchors the table, and reinforces the Mardi Gras atmosphere instantly. Save this video to your playlist so you can recreate these centerpiece ideas anytime. How can Mardi Gras beads be styled elegantly on the table? Beads are iconic to Mardi Gras, and when styled thoughtfully, they add sparkle without overwhelming the table. Draping beads down the center of the table creates a flowing, celebratory path. Wrapping beads around candle holders, vases, or napkins adds layered detail. Mixing finishes, matte, glossy, metallic, creates depth and texture. Beads catch the light as guests move, creating shimmer and motion throughout the evening. They add playfulness while still honoring tradition. When beads are layered intentionally, they feel festive yet refined, striking the perfect balance between party and elegance. Like and share this video if you love decorating with beads and sparkle. How do place settings enhance the Mardi Gras table experience? Place settings invite guests into the celebration personally. They make each seat feel intentional, thoughtful, and part of the story. Bold plates or metallic chargers create a rich base. Napkins folded creatively and accented with beads, feathers, or masks add personality. Festive glassware reflects candlelight and brings extra sparkle to the table. Small details, like themed napkin rings or decorative accents at each place, make guests feel included in the celebration rather than just attending it. Place settings turn the table into an experience, not just a display. Check the description for Mardi Gras place setting details featured in this video. How does lighting elevate a Mardi Gras table setting? Lighting brings warmth, glow, and atmosphere, transforming decor into emotion. Candles in gold or jeweled holders add intimacy and elegance. LED candles allow generous layering without worry. String lights woven through centerpieces or bead garlands create soft sparkle. As light reflects off metallic accents, glassware, and beads, the table begins to glow. The room feels warmer, richer, and more alive. Lighting ensures your Mardi Gras table doesn't just look beautiful, it feels magical. Check the description for lighting ideas used on this Mardi Gras table. How can textures make a Mardi Gras table feel abundant and luxurious? Texture is what makes Mardi Gras decor feel indulgent and layered. Feathers add softness and movement, creating drama. Metallic finishes add shine and celebration energy. Glass adds reflection and elegance. Fabric layers add warmth and fullness. Combining textures makes the table visually exciting and emotionally rich. It invites touch, movement, and interaction, making the table feel alive rather than static. A Mardi Gras table should feel abundant in every sense, visually, emotionally, and experientially. Comment your favorite Mardi Gras texture, feathers, metallics, or beads. How do small details make Mardi Gras table decor unforgettable? Small details are what guests remember long after the celebration ends. Fleur-de-lis accents honor Mardi Gras history and culture. Confetti scattered lightly across the table adds playful sparkle. Themed napkins, signage, and plates tie the entire look together. Mini masks or favors at each seat create surprise and delight. These details complete the table, turning decoration into experience. They show care, creativity, and celebration in every corner. Save this video to your playlist for your next Mardi Gras table setup. And that is how you create a breathtaking Mardi Gras table. Bold, layered, joyful, and overflowing with celebration. This is a table that honors tradition, a table that invites laughter, A table that fills your home with rhythm, color, and life. Let your table glow with purple, green, and gold. Let it shimmer with beads and candlelight. Let it celebrate joy, abundance, and togetherness. Laissez les bons temps rouler. Let the good times roll.